Yo, so today, doing my whole interior, carbon fiber. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that today. Stay tuned. So what you're gonna be needing is a knife, your cleaning supply, a squeegee, a glove, and a heat gun. And your material, let me go inside so I can show you. I can get a little better lighting in it. So for the material, we're gonna be using carbon fiber. I'm gonna be using TinyBot. I had to come inside so you guys can kind of see the glare in it. Look at that, looks pretty real. And this is from TinyBot. Just like that, it looks so different. I just wanted to try to see how that looked just for a little bit. I'm gonna take it off, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Wouldn't know the difference. And I'll also do the one in the back right here. Look at that, changed up the whole look. I love it so far, and let's go ahead and finish the other side. So yeah, that's basically it. Look how it looks and how it looks inside. Gives it a whole new look. I also did this with carbon fiber. I might go do this if I have leftover inside. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. And peace out.
You flip Snow White quick, fast, in a jiffy. Wiggy, 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 wiggy.
I got 21 bullets inside of this clip and I'm ready to unload this bitch.